Honestly, on this matter, I agree with Pastor Paul Eneche. There's a mystery between Nigerian government, this present government, and Niger Republic. We need to unveil it by voting Obi to see what is happening. Also, problem has not been solved, yet Nigeria has been giving out money to other countries to solve the same problem we could not be able to solve, to enhance security that we cannot enhance on our own. Something is actually wrong. Watch this video and see what I'm talking about.
They said that as at last week, some details emerged concerning Nigeria's excess crude account. The excess crude account was created by President Obasanjo in 2004 to get excess revenue from the crude into an account over the budgeted benchmark. That is, this is what we expect. We got more than that, so we put it aside. That amount as at 2014 was 3.6 billion in the excess crude account. By the time it was this February 2014, by the time it is 2015, just at the beginning of this current regime, it stood at $2.2 billion. Today, it is not up to $0.5 million. It is 376,000. Hello? Is there anybody who's here still? The country is spending 5.9 trillion on imports to import medicines, food, materials, spare parts required for industries, and so on. Excess reserves at 15 billion. If this spending continues, within 4 months, there will be no money to import anything. So Lord, deliver us from total collapse. Deliver us from total collapse. Last time we told you of how much was being spent to service debt versus how much was made. 1.93 trillion to service debts, then 1.6 revenue. The balance is 300 billion borrowed to pay debt. Father, save us from total collapse. Are you still following? Side by side with that is the purchase is the release of government money for the purchase of vehicles for a neighboring country called Niger Republic in billions. 1.4 billion. And I heard that somebody explained that it is to fight security, to enhance their security. What a useless. What happened to us? What brought us to this group of gangs? This is gangsterism. Who handed us over to these gangs? This gang. Gangsters. That is, the country is poor and yet the country is being duped. This is dupery. Security that you have not finished fighting in your own country. It will end. It must end. That is apart from construction of rail from Nigeria to the same Niger at the cost of $1.96 billion, the equivalent of 712 billion naira of money you are looking for. What is the mystery there? That mystery must be unveiled. 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 That mystery must be unveiled.